Hey friends! Are you looking to upgrade your vehicle's audio system with the most powerful and high-wattage car stereos available today? In this video, we're taking a look at the best car stereo wattage in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the iWi Car Stereo Wattage. The IC 11 stands out as the market's largest and thinnest portable CarPlay screen, boasting a massive 11-inch HD display that brings older dashboards into the modern era. It effectively bridges the gap between classic vehicles and smart technology by offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with full voice control capabilities. Unique to this model is its dual-purpose functionality as a high-resolution dashcam system, featuring a 4K front lens and a 1080p rear camera. A pre-installed 64GB memory card ensures your journeys are recorded instantly, which is vital for providing evidence in insurance claims or travel vlogs. Reviewing footage is simple via high-speed Wi-Fi transfers, and the included backup camera features adjustable guidelines for stress-free parking. This sleek device provides multiple audio output options, including FM transmission and Bluetooth, making it a versatile and comprehensive safety upgrade for any driver seeking a premium, large-format interface. The ultra-slim aesthetic allows it to mount without obstructing your view, while the high-definition mic ensures your hands-free calls remain crisp and clear even in loud cabin environments during highway travel. Next up, our second product, the Recasound Car Stereo Wattage. This Bluetooth-enabled car audio system strikes a perfect balance between everyday utility and high-quality digital entertainment. Featuring rapid pairing technology, it facilitates effortless hands-free calling and wireless music streaming to keep your journeys engaging and safe. The integrated FM tuner covers a wide frequency range and allows for 18 presets so you can quickly access weather, news, or your favorite hits. Beyond the airwaves, it supports multiple physical inputs including USB, SD cards, and AUX cables, while the 2.1A fast charging port keeps your mobile devices topped up. It handles high-fidelity formats like FLAC and WAV, ensuring that your audio sounds as intended by the artists. The included wireless remote is a convenient addition that allows passengers to manage the playlist, making it a reliable and versatile choice for any driver looking to modernize their dashboard on a budget. This system is exceptionally easy to navigate, offering a user-friendly interface that ensures you can focus on the road while enjoying a rich and clear audio environment during your daily commute. Coming in at number 3, the Pioneer Car Stereo Wattage. This Bluetooth media receiver is a top-tier option for drivers who prioritize acoustic clarity and a streamlined, mechless design. By eliminating the CD player, Pioneer has achieved a compact chassis depth under 4 inches, allowing for much easier installation in shallow or cluttered dashboards. Its hallmark feature is the advanced sound retriever technology, which intelligently restores the musical details lost during the compression of digital files to produce a richer sound. Seamless smartphone pairing enables reliable hands-free calls and high-quality wireless streaming, while the front USB port offers direct device control and rapid charging. It supports a vast range of audio formats, ensuring that your entire digital library is compatible and sounds vibrant through your car's speakers. If you are looking for a trusted brand that delivers powerful wattage and crisp audio performance in a space-saving package, this head unit is a perfect and reliable choice for your next vehicle upgrade. The intuitive interface and dedicated physical buttons make it incredibly easy to operate while driving, providing a safer and much more enjoyable listening experience for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Kisound Car Stereo Wattage. This double-din head unit is a comprehensive powerhouse designed for modern digital integration and acoustic excellence. It fully supports wireless and wired versions of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling immediate connectivity the moment you ignite your engine. Through Siri or Google Assistant, drivers can manage navigation, communications, and media libraries entirely hands-free, ensuring maximum focus remains on the road. Audiophiles will appreciate the high-end DSP processor paired with a 10-band EQ and a massive 240W peak output across 4.1 channels. A dedicated subwoofer port allows for thunderous bass, while the 7-inch IPS touchscreen provides crystal-clear imagery. This robust system also includes a rear heat sink to maintain performance during long-distance travels, alongside dual microphones and steering wheel controls for the ultimate user experience. It effectively combines modern high-tech convenience with a high-fidelity audio stage, making it a premier choice for those who demand professional sound quality and seamless smartphone connectivity every time they drive. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Audio Car Stereo Wattage. Running on a smooth Android 13 platform with 2 GB of RAM, this double-DIN unit offers seamless smartphone integration and future-proof software performance. It provides wireless CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, allowing you to access maps and voice commands without the clutter of dangling cables. The high-definition 7-inch touchscreen is exceptionally sharp and features adjustable brightness modes to ensure visibility during both day and night driving. Safety is significantly enhanced by the included backup camera, which provides audible voice alerts during reversing maneuvers to prevent accidental collisions. With 32 GB of internal storage and free lifetime map updates, it serves as a complete navigation and media hub for vehicles ranging from sedans to large RVs. The 4.1-channel EQ and rich format support allow you to fine-tune your listening experience, ensuring every road trip is accompanied by high-quality sound and reliable technology. Because it is preloaded with advanced features and a lag-free operating system, it represents a top-tier upgrade for any driver who wants to combine smart navigation with powerful audio wattage and safe parking assistance. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.